Hello everyone. So in today's video, we are going to go over this problem from StrataScratch called finding updated records. So this is an easy problem and this has been asked in Microsoft. So the problem is simply you have a table with the employees and salaries. So the employees have the following data. So you have their ID, first name, last name and department ID, and there can be multiple entries per employee. So if you have a look at the data, uh, there's some issue with the website right now, so it might take a couple of runs to get it working. Yeah, so you can see you have Todd Wilson twice, right? You have two different salaries. So you've been told that the salaries increase each year and you only want the table to now retain their current salaries. So the current salary for any employee would be the highest salary which that employee has, right? So all you need to do is remove every other occurrence of that employee except the one where his or her highest salary occurs. So it can be done in multiple ways. So what I'm going to do is I'm initially going to sort the entire data frame. So I'm going to use the sort values function for that, and I'm going to sort it by the salary column. Also I want it to be in descending order, so ascending should be false. Next, what I want to do is I want to just do a drop duplicates. So what drop duplicates does is it keeps the first occurrence and drops every other occurrence by a given column, by the value of the row in a given column. So suppose I want to drop all duplicate occurrences of the ID. So since I've already sorted it, the highest occurrence of an ID with the salary would be on the top and every subsequent entry would just be dropped. And now all I can do is just sort the data frame once again, and this time by using the ID of the employees. So what I need to do is just do a sort values and by ID. So what this has effectively done is it has now resorted the data frame. So initially when I sorted it by salary, this ID order would have gone haywire, right? So now it has been retained once this process has been done, because I've resorted it by ID, and now the smallest ID will again be on the top. So let's just check. um, yeah, so sometimes running it multiple times would make it work, and you can now see you have the highest salary of Todd, for Justin, for Kelly, and so on. And if I check solution, um, yeah, I am not really sure why this is happening, but apparently there's some server side error on the website. But you can see that my solution exactly matches and it has been marked as solved. So I hope you got the approach. There are other ways as well. So if you look at their own solution, what they've done is they've grouped grouped it by ID, first name, last name, and department ID. Then taken the salary, taken the max of it, and reset the index. So you've only kept the max versions, and then they've done a sort values with ID. So I feel that my process is a bit more intuitive because I'm doing it logically in steps. Maybe this is a bit more efficient, but this seems a lot more clearer to me. So hope you guys like this video, and we'll catch you again sometime later.